Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve. So today I am planting my citrus trees, but I have to go get my shovel, so I'll be right back. Okay, got my shovel. So we are going to be putting these citrus trees about 20 feet back from the wall. So we're going to space them evenly between these pillars here. So I'm going to take a couple measurements real quick just to see where exactly we are at here. So it's easier if I just go along the wall here. Down. And I'm going to go along and measure the rest. Whew, it's warm. Okay, so let's start digging these holes. Okay, so I dug 2 out of the 3 holes, and the reason for that is when I got to the 3rd hole, there were a ton of rocks at the bottom, like so many rocks that I couldn't even shovel them out. So I think I'm gonna have to switch tools, maybe get my forks in there and see if I can break it up. If not, might have to choose another place to put that orange. But for right now, I want to plant the tangerine and the lemon, so let's do it. A little bit of compost in there. Mix it. Kind of line the sides with it. And then I am gently going to take this bag off. Oh, this lemon tree has really nice roots. Okay. Can you see that? Really nice all the way around. So I'm gonna rough that up like I roughed up the tangerine, because I want those roots to go outwards, not spiraling around the tree, because that is called choking out your tree, or so I've read. Okay, so the roots are nice. I'm gonna spread them a little bit. just a little bit. And it's gonna go in deep. Okay, a little bit of the native soil around, just to give it a good base. I'll try my best to plug all of those holes. A little bit more compost. Quite a few rocks on the way over there. So just to show you, these are the kind of rocks that I've been hitting. And I do not want my trees, when their roots are starting to grow, to hit those rocks. So let's see if we can get those forks. Okay, so here are the 3 trees that we just planted together. Now, I just watered them in, so you can see that the water has already gone down. So this is the tangerine. It is a tangerine clementine, Citrus reticula. I'm not sure if that's the name, but it is a citrus tree. Tangerine. This is my son's favorite, so I thought I'd plant it closest to the driveway. Okay, this is the second tree. This is a lemon. We watered, so as you can see, all the water has already gone down to the roots, which is a great sign because it's a well-draining hole. So this is a lemon tree, and the variety name, I think it says Verna. I don't know, this is my first time planting citrus, so we will see how it goes. So that is a lemon. And then our last tree, I just watered it. This is a second jug, so it's taking a little bit to absorb, which is a good sign. You can see the bubbles as it's being soaked up. So great sign. And this is a orange tree. The variety name is Valencia Late. So we will see. We will see what these trees bring me, but I'm really excited. I was finally able to get them in the ground. They should, oh, you see this little bug here? See him? Get out of here. So I'm gonna go around and just inspect the tree, make sure there's no bugs or anything on it, but it looks really good. He probably climbed on it when I leaned it down to take the pot off. So the trees look really nice. Their leaves are super glossy. I love them. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. These 3 trees are going to be really big, and we have a low wall to the street here. So once they fill out, they should provide a little privacy here, which is really nice. This is the lemon. Also really nice leaf color and texture. A little bit more slender than the orange leaves, but overall pretty good. I don't see any bugs on this one. Okay, and let me just check this last one out, which is my favorite tree. I'm super excited about this one. These leaves are a little bit, let me get out of the shadow. These leaves are a little bit more slender than the orange, which is kind of nice, actually. But no bugs. No bugs. So I'm gonna let that water soak in, and I'm gonna give it one more deep soak so that they are well hydrated, and we have nice weather in the next couple of days. So we'll see how that goes.